But technically they're not.
Yes.
Yeah, one of the biggest textile mills in the world was actually in the upstate of South Carolina. So this is the D-Day dress from Charleston Museum. So it depicts the landing at Normandy. So this is the army arriving on the beaches. Their jeeps coming on shore. They're getting greeted by the French villagers hanging out of their windows to celebrate the victory. And this was a commemorative dress that was created 1 year, the 1 year anniversary of D-Day. And it was actually a local textile company that produced the fabric, and then it was sold by Baldwin and Teller, which is in New York. Yes.
Those are called Liberty cuffs. Yeah, so you can have Liberty cuffs here. Sometimes there's one on the back of the flap, inside the peacoat. Those are all done by people. That's all done in Hong Kong. Back to the that is way too high. Instructor that runs.